Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain a problem on Newton's law of cooling. Let us see what is the problem is to be. A copper ball is heated to a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. Then at time t equal to 0, it is placed in water which is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius. If at time t equal to 3 minutes, the temperature of the ball is reduced to 50 degrees Celsius. Find the time at which the temperature of the ball is 40 degrees Celsius. Let us see. So first of all, we would like to write the preliminary information what he has given to you. What is that? First we want to write the temperature of the surrounding medium. So the surrounding medium is to be here water. So right now, which is what? The theta 0, the temperature of the surrounding medium theta 0 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Now we have a time t equal to 0. At initial point t equal to 0, the temperature of the copper ball is 80 degrees Celsius. Now at time t equal to 3 minutes, the temperature of the copper ball is reduced to 50 degrees. That means theta equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Now we able to find at what time, that is time t equal to how much, the temperature of the copper ball is 40 degrees Celsius. Let us see. By Newton's law of cooling, we have log theta minus theta 0 equal to minus kt plus c. So this is the natural logarithm. So here theta 0 equal to what to me? 30 degrees Celsius. So right now I am substituting here, that is log theta minus 30 equal to minus kt plus c. So for our convenient, I would like to take it as to be equation 1. Right, now what we have, the first condition, which is at t equal to 0, the temperature of the copper ball theta equal to 80 degrees Celsius. That is when t equal to 0, theta equal to 80 degrees. So we are substituting this in equation 1. So what I would like to get is, which is log theta means how much here? 80 minus 30 equal to minus k into 0, that is time t equal to 0 has given, plus c. So here log 80 minus 30 equal to 50, that is log 50 equal to c. So now therefore c equal to what to me? Log 50. Now I would like to substitute the c value in equation 1. So when I am substituting c value in equation 1, what I want to be get, which is log theta minus 30 equal to minus kt plus log 50. Now I would like to bring this log 50 left side. Then what I would like to get here, which is log theta minus 30 minus log 50 equal to minus k into t. So for our convenient, I would like to take it as to be equation 2. Now, so what we have, another condition, which is t equal to 3, that is time t equal to 3 minutes, the temperature of the copper ball is to be 50 degrees Celsius. Now by using that condition, I am able to find next one, that is when t equal to 3, theta equal to 50. So substitute this in equation 2. So what I will get is to be here log 50 minus 30 minus log 50 equal to minus k into 3. Now for our convenient, I would like to take it as to be equation 3. Now what I want to be do is to be here, so equation 2 divided by equation 3. So what I would like to get, which is log theta minus 30 minus log 50 divided by log, here 50 minus 30 is to be 20, that is log 20 minus log 50 equal to minus k into t by minus k into 3. So here minus k should get cancelled. So here which is looks like log a minus log b, that is log a by b. Similarly here also log a minus log b means log a by b. Then I would like to get which is log theta minus 30 by 50 whole divided by log 20 by 50 equal to t by 3. So here 20, this is 0, 0 will be get cancelled. Now I would like to continue here, which is log theta minus 30 by 50 whole divided by log 2 by 5 equal to t by 3. Now I able to find the time when the temperature of the copper ball is to be 40 degrees Celsius. That is, I am using last condition, which is when theta, that is temperature of the copper ball, is to be 40 degrees Celsius. Now what I will like to get here, log 40 minus 30 by 50 whole divided by log 2 by 5 equal to t by 3. So here I able to find t equal to, that is 3 into log 40 minus 30, which is 10 by 50 divided by log 2 by 5. So if we do this answer by using calculator, I would like to get 5.2694 minutes. That means at time t, that is the time 5 minutes, 5.2694 minutes, the temperature of the copper ball is to be 40 degrees Celsius. If you like this video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.